Hello, Assalamu alaikum. So now you see, now this is ATS controller, and here we have mains on, loads on. So I will show you the procedure of testing of this controller, Datacom DKG 329. So now you see mains power is on, load is on, generator is off. Okay, this is line to neutral voltage of mains, and here we have line to line neutral voltage of mains. Okay, this is generator voltage. Okay, so now what we will do, we will turn off the mains power. So mains power we will turn off from inside, from the sensing. 1 2 3, these three breakers we turn off, and now we turn on the engine. So now the generator is turn on. Now you see the voltage is here. Okay, this is generator, genset on load, and these two indication lights are on, mains are off. Okay, so this is the procedure. If there is any alarm, how to reset? Now you see the system in auto mode. Okay, and if there is emergency stop, so now you see contactor is open, there is no power supply on the load. These two are load indication. So now first we need to remove this. Okay, and then again you will see it will take load because generator is available. So now you see generator again takes load. Once you remove the alarm, generator again takes the load. Okay, so now we will see from inside. See, the contactor is on. These first three breakers for generator supply, sensing supply. Next two breaker for main supply. The fourth breaker, this is control circuit protection breaker. This F8 positive for the controller, positive supply from the battery. F9, this is battery charger 220 volt supply which will go to your generator. This relay work for remote start. Okay, here we have these two connector, red and black. One red is for positive and black for negative. These two wire we will take it from our generator, 12 volt or 24 volt based on your generator size. Okay, if you are using here 24 volt, then you must change this relay. Now I am using 12 volt, so my relay is 12 volt. If you are using 24 volt, so you must change the relay. Here we have three terminals, 1 2 3. 1 and 2. 1 is neutral, 2 is phase supply. This will give you 220 volt to connect the battery charger of your ATS panel. Okay, you will take 220 volt from here and connect the battery charger, okay, or water jacket heater. Number 3 is remote start signal for generator from here. Okay, number 3 you will connect negative supply to digital input remote start of your generator. These two are neutral jumper. Here this is for internal wiring, so this we don't need to do anything here. Here you see we have generator contactor, mains contactor. Now mains contactor is off because main supply breaker is off. Okay, these two upside we have load connection. We will connect our load cable here and take out load cable through CTs. Okay, incoming cable, power incoming cable will be connected here in the incomer side of the magnetic contactor. Three phases, red, yellow, blue. Same here, red, yellow, blue. and neutral supply on the neutral bus bar. Okay, load neutral will be connected here. Okay, now what I will do, I will turn on the main supply and you will see the power returned. So now you see generator on load, but there is a return timer. Once this timer will expire, it will open the generator contactor and close the main contactor. Now you will see mains is on. Mains is on. After cooling down timing, generator will completely off. We will set generator cooling time 0 because we are using cooling time from here. So generator cooling time should be 0. So now I will show you how to enter in this module for programming. You will press these two buttons, right left together. Okay, now it will ask you for password. You will press here 9, then 8, 7, 6. So this is the password 9876. This is the password. So we press this button. So now we are inside the programming. So exit programming menu, if I press now exit this button, so it will make me exit from the programming again. Okay, I need to program the controller. So I will go in controller configuration with this button, down arrow, and now scroll to right. Now here we have LCD contrast. LCD contrast means this LCD having contrast if you want to make it darker or lighter based on your requirement. After that we have language selection. If we will go in language selection, here you see on number 0 we have English language. So always keep number 0 if you want to use English language. Okay, now we'll go to, this is alternate voltage frequency. No need to select alternate if you are not using alternate. Line to line voltages also. Genset default display number 1. Okay, after that what we have here, fault hold off timer for 12 seconds, alarm relay timer 60 seconds, intermittent alarm relay, emergency backup mode, exercise day and time, exercise duration, exercise off on load, exercise period, delay simulate mains, mood enable, SMS enable, GPRS call enable, Modbus address, flashing relay timer, RT clock adjust, hysteresis voltage, SMS on main change, minimum ready number of transformers, ready bypass timeout, no break transfer, maximum voltage difference, maximum frequency difference, maximum phase difference, sync fail timeout, contactor timeout, CT location, pre-transfer delay, LCD contrast. So now I will go out from this menu. So I will press this button again, and then this is the important electrical parameter. Here we will select our current transformer ratio. Current transformer ratio you can check from your CTs. Okay, how much is your CT? You can, in my case I have 500 ampere CTs. Okay, so now for current transformer ratio, it's decreasing from here. I want to increase and then go back. here overcurrent limit I set 180 amps because my generator is 125 kVA. Excess power limit, overload timeout 10 seconds, multi-gen fault delay 30 seconds, mains voltage low 170 volt, mains voltage high 270 volt, mains frequency low 53 Hz, mains frequency high 65 Hz, genset low voltage shutdown 170 volt, genset low voltage warning 180, genset high voltage warning 260, genset high voltage shutdown 270, low battery warning 9 voltage, high battery voltage warnings 117 voltage, high battery shutdown 17.6, mains waiting timer 0.5 minutes, genset contactor timer 0.6 second, mains contactor timer 5 seconds, mains phase order enable 0 means disabled, reverse power 00, reverse power load dump 00, load shedding low limit 00, load shedding high limit 00, generator phase order load dump 00. No need to do alternative overcurrent limit here because this is for alternative configuration if you are using. So this is all related to alternative. We are not using here alternative. So we will go back. We will check here engine parameters. This is also very important. Low frequency shutdown. In my case, my nominal frequency is 60 Hz. So I set low frequency 54 Hz. Low frequency warning 55, high frequency 65 Hz, high frequency 67 shutdown. Engine start delay 3 seconds. After failure alarm, after 3 seconds, it will give remote start signal to the generator after 3 seconds. Engine heating timer 00, cooling timer 1 minute, stop solenoid 20 seconds, service engine hour 00 now, service period 0. This is also again alternative. So now we go out. This is related to adjust date and time. If you want to adjust date and time, you can adjust the date from here. Okay, this is showing today's date. Okay, and now I will go out, adjust month, year, and then we have scheduler here, weekly schedule, input configuration, relay definition. Relay definition, if I want to program here, relay 1 I use for remote start. So for remote start, I keep it here 00. 00 means remote start relay function. Okay, so I keep it here 00. Okay, input functions. Let us see input function selection. Here I select emergency stop because this emergency stop is connected on digital input. So I select on input number 1 04. 04 is related to emergency stop. Okay, after that this is site ID string, modem. If you are programming this controller to remotely monitoring, then this will be useful for you. Now you see I want to exit from program. Okay, this is showing now mains voltage. Now mains power on load, generator is off, load is on. So now what I will do, I will turn off mains power. This 3 phase I turn off. Now I will turn on the generator. Generator will turn on now. We'll see now here. This is generator voltage and now generator is closed. Genset on and on load. Okay. So now everything is working fine. I will return the power. So after 23 seconds, generator contactor will open and mains contactor will again close. So now you will see 14 second, 13 second, 11 second, 10 second, 9 second, 6 second, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now mains contactor is generator contactor is on. Now mains contactor will be closed. Now you see mains power is on. So generator on, cooling time now. After cooling time, generator will completely stop and this indication will disappear. So now you see generator is completely stopped. Stopping timer is active. Generator is completely off and there is no alarm. Okay. So these are the settings for normal operation of DKG 329.